Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to take notes or add notes to your groups on the Additio application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on this icon in the upper left corner of the screen and click on Evaluation and Groups. Tap on one of your classes. Click on this menu icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. Tap on Notes. Click on this plus icon in the right side of the screen. Here you can add the title, such as Project. Then add the labels, and you can also add your text. You can select the font size, you can make it bold, italicize it, strike through it, select the layout and organization of your paragraph, select the color of it, and so on. If you want to add a folder, you can attach to it. If you want to link a specific student to your note, tap on Select Student and tap on the relevant student that is concerned. Click on the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen in order to save your note. And here, if you tap on your class again and click on this menu icon and the notes, you are going to see the note that has been added to this particular group. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.